In this video, I'll show you some example where you can relate Tableau with Microsoft Excel. In Microsoft Excel, there's one concept known as pivot table, or you can call it the pivot charts, where you can see the summarized data of your raw data. Now, it will make your work easy if you're a manager, if you're CEO of a company, or any higher hierarchy person to understand what is the status, what is the scenario, where you can take some actions. Same what pivot table does, in Tableau the same thing can be done, but in a very better manner way. In Excel pivot tables, there are some limitations which can be overcome by Tableau session itself. Now, I'll show you one example where you can relate both of them. Now, when you download and install Tableau version, you get some sample files which get downloaded at some folder. In this entire training duration, I'll be using those sample applications, sample Excel files, where I'll be playing with this raw data and I'll be representing in the form of a graph. So where are the files kept as? So you have to go to this folder. In this folder, it would be as documents. In this documents, you have this folder. In the documents, you see there's my Tableau repository. I'll just double click and open. In that, you see there's a data sources. So double click and open that. 10.2 in that folder, in this folder. Yeah. So if you see there's samples superstore.xls file. So what I can do is I'll just double click and open this, Excel file. Okay. And if you see there are so many records which are present here, around 9,000 records. So I'll jump to the very first record this way. Okay. Now if you see the first row of my Excel table, if you see there's row ID, order date, these are the row headings and followed by the data in the entire records. So that's a raw data. In this Excel file, that is sample superstore.xls file, I have three sheets. One is for the orders, second is for the returns, and third one is for the people. Now, what is this Excel file all about? There's one company, there's one e-commerce website where people keep on purchasing some products and everything. So whenever they purchase some product, they generate an order ID. You can see order ID, order date, ship date. So all the details get feed into some place and it is formed in the form of an Excel sheet, that is sample superstore. So that's the order table all about. So whenever a person orders some product, that will be generated as an order ID and the entire record. So all the details will be visible here. For example, customer ID, customer name, segment, which country, which city, which state. So all the details will be visible here. Same way, for the order sheet, I have something as returns. Any person who wants to return some product, he can just go to the website and he can return the product. So those details have been mentioned in this database. So like this Excel, I have one database. There can be multiple database, MS Access, Hadoop, big data, and there are hundreds of different database which can be connected with Tableau session itself. So again, I have something as peoples. So let us focus about this orders part itself. Now in Excel, you might have an idea how to create a pivot table. It is very simple. Within 5 seconds, you can create a pivot table itself. So I'll just keep my cursor in the data, go to the insert tab, click on this pivot table and I'll click on this OK button. So the data is already selected. If you see the dancing ants, the raw data is selected. Where do you want to paste your pivot table? So I'll say I want to paste in the new worksheet. So I'll click on OK. So that is the empty pivot table which is given here. Now in this place on the right hand side, if you see, these are nothing but the column headings, row ID, order date, and so on. So these are different columns which are generated here. What I will do is I'll try to create a pivot table where I want to find out the sales of the company based on the product category. Okay. So I'll try to bring those places. So if you see, I have filters, columns, values, and rows. Now in this place, I'll search for the sales. This is my sales. So I'll pick up and drag it and drop in the values itself. So here if you see sum of sales, that is total, that's the total given here. But now I want to find out the sales based on the product category. So what I'll do is I'll try to find out the product category, or I can say as let's say the category. So I'll pick up this one, product category on this place, and if you see it came in the rows field. So now I can see the sales of this furniture is 741,999. Sales of his office supplies is 719,047, sales of technologies and so and so thing. So these are different sales which are done here. So based on the category, subcategory, I can keep on creating this pivot table. Now, if I am a manager or a CEO of a company, if I belong to some higher hierarchy area, so I want to analyze this data with the help of some graphs, reports and charts. So what I can do is I can just go to this insert and I can click on this column chart. So I'll select any 2D column. Yeah, so if you see, I have sum of sales for furniture, that's a furniture sales which are given here, for office supplies and for technology. But it is a bit difficult, or you can say there are some limitations when you create in Excel, and you have to take lot of effort while creating a pivot table or a pivot chart. So that can be done in a very simple and easy manner with the help of this Tableau itself. So what I'll do is I'll use the same example. I'll use the same example, that is category versus this sales which I've given in the form of Tableau, and I'll use the same data file itself. Okay, so let us see that. So for that, what I need to do is I have to open my Tableau session. I'll minimize all these windows and I'll open this Tableau session. So I'll double click on this place. Yeah, now the Tableau is opened here. I can connect my Tableau with different database. If you see, there's I can connect to a file, that is Excel, text file, Access, JSON. There are so many database which are available. If I click on this more option, and if you see, there are hundreds of different database which are available. You cannot be an expert. It will take time for you to become an expert in all the areas. But just to give an idea, if you see, there's IBM DB2, and there is something as Postgre SQL, Oracle, and if you see, there's a SAP related products. Here if you see, there's MySQL, Oracle. These are different database with which you can connect to your Tableau itself. Now I'll take a simple example with the same Excel file. So I'll just click on this Excel, and if you see, that's the same folder from where I'm picking up the file, that's sample superstore. So I'll click on this place and click on open. Okay, so when I click on open, if you see, there are three files, there are three sheets: orders, people and return, same sheets which I have shown you in that Excel file itself. What I'll do is I want to work with this order table. So I'll just pick up this order table and drag it here. Okay, if you see, that's an order sample superstore. Now the name of the file will be the same which I picked up. So that is orders sample superstore, and that is the data which I have copied from that place, or I have borrowed from that place. Okay, that's the entire data. Now what I'll do is I'll try to show you an example, same what I've done there itself. So for that, this is the raw data which is given here. I have to jump to this worksheet. So here in Tableau, they are known as worksheets, Tableau worksheet. There in Excel, it is known as only sheet. So I'll click on this sheet 1. Okay, same like pivot table, you have rows, columns and values, different fields for filters. Same I have for columns shelf, row shelf and mark shelf. These are different fields which are given here. Now I want to find out sales of the entire this team, that is the sample superstore, based on the product category. So now what I'll do is I'll try to pick up the columns that, like the same way I've done in the pivot tables. So I'll pick up this as category from here and I'll drop it into this columns field itself. Okay. Now the second thing what I want is I want based on the sales part. So I'll just pick up the sales from here and I'll drag and drop into the rows card itself. So now if you see, the same type of graph which I've shown in the pivot table is been displayed at this place itself. So if you see furniture, office sales and technology sales, what I can do is I can just maximize the width of this. So you can see in a proper manner. So I'll just maximize the width. Yeah, that's the width. Yeah, so that is the furniture sales, office sales, and that's nothing but the technology sales. So now you can relate that in Microsoft Excel, whatever pivot table does, same in Tableau you can see the same thing can be done, but in a much more better manner itself. Just this video was just to give an explanation. It is very much similar to pivot tables. That's all for this video.